Golf should feel exciting, not expensive before your first swing. Welcome to my channel, where we're exploring the best cheap golf club sets that offer better value, comfort, and confidence on the course. Check the links in the description and choose the set that fits your game. The number 5 product on our list is KVV Golf Club Set. Starting golf with the wrong clubs can make every swing feel more expensive than the game itself. The KVV Golf Club Set gives new and budget-minded players a cleaner way to enter the course without piecing together random clubs one by one. With 11 total clubs and a practical setup, it covers the core needs most beginners face, from tee shots to approach play to putting. The 10.5-degree driver loft helps launch the ball with a more playable flight, while the included putter with a 72-degree lie angle supports a familiar setup on the green. What makes this set appealing is the value feeling. Many golfers hesitate because buying clubs separately can turn into a confusing and costly journey. KVV simplifies that first step, giving you a complete golf club set that feels approachable, organized, and ready for practice. Compared with a premium Callaway or tailor-made starter package, KVV may not deliver the same elite materials or polished feedback, but it offers a more wallet-friendly path for learning fundamentals. The pros are complete coverage, beginner-friendly value, solid customer rating, manageable weight, and an easy entry into golf. The cons are limited advanced customization and less premium feel than high-end sets. This is ideal for beginners, casual weekend players, returning golfers, and anyone who wants affordable golf clubs without feeling overwhelmed. Sometimes the smartest first move is not buying the flashiest gear, but choosing clubs that let you finally start playing and less intimidating. At number 4 is XDriveMax Golf Club Set. Young golfers can lose interest fast when adult clubs feel heavy, awkward, and impossible to control. The XDriveMax Golf Club Set gives kids a friendlier path into the game with equipment sized for ages 6 to 10 and heights from 45 to 54 inches. Instead of forcing a child to fight oversized clubs, this 6-piece setup keeps everything lighter, easier to swing, and more enjoyable from the first practice session. The graphite light shafts are up to 25% lighter than adult clubs, helping junior swing speeds feel natural instead of strained. The 460 cubic centimeters aluminum alloy driver adds forgiveness with a larger sweet spot, which matters when beginners are still learning contact and launch. The 5 hybrid brings extra help for distance, while the 6/7 and 9/P irons give young players useful control around the course. Even the putter feels thoughtfully made, with an anti-slip striking surface and alignment line to guide smoother strokes. Compared with the KVV Adult Club Set, XDriveMax is clearly more specialized for kids, though it will not suit teens or taller beginners who need full-size clubs. The pros are lightweight build, junior-friendly sizing, forgiving driver, useful hybrid, stand bag included, head cover protection, and comfortable grip. The cons are limited age range and fewer clubs than larger complete sets. This is ideal for parents introducing golf, junior lessons, backyard practice, and young players who need gear that makes the sport feel exciting instead of exhausting, right from the first confident swing. The third one on our list is PGA Golf Club Set. The wrong first clubs can make a young golfer blame themselves before they ever learn the joy of a clean strike. The PGA Golf Club Set gives smaller junior players a lighter, easier, and more exciting way to step into golf. Designed for kids around 3 feet 6 inches to 4 feet 1 inch, this 5-piece set keeps the focus on learning instead of struggling with oversized gear. The lightweight graphite shafts are about 25% lighter, helping kids swing with better speed and less effort. That alone can turn practice from frustration into progress. The 14-degree driver is forgiving and launch-friendly, giving beginners a better chance to send the ball forward with a smile. The cavity-backed 7-iron helps create higher, straighter shots, while the mallet putter with alignment guide teaches smoother aim on the green. For parents searching affordable junior golf clubs, this feels practical because it includes the core pieces, carry bag, and head cover without overwhelming a child. Compared with the XDriveMax Junior set, the PGA option feels more focused for smaller beginners and carries trusted PGA Tour appeal, while XDriveMax gives slightly older kids more club variety. The pros are lightweight design, forgiving heads, easy swing feel, useful putting aid, carry bag, and strong learning value. The cons are the limited height range and smaller club count. This is ideal for young beginners, junior lessons, backyard practice, and parents who want golf to feel welcoming from the very first swing with pride, patience, and real excitement today. On number 2 is Precise Golf Club Set. Golf feels less intimidating when the clubs finally match the player, not the other way around. The Precise Golf Club Set is built for women who want a complete, stylish, and forgiving setup without spending like a tour professional. This 14-piece package gives you a T-matrix driver, fairway wood, 21-degree hybrid, stainless steel irons, putter, deluxe stand bag, rain hood, and matching head covers, so you can walk onto the course feeling prepared from the first tee. The real struggle for many women golfers is fit. Clubs that feel too long, too heavy, or poorly balanced can make every swing feel forced. Precise solves that with regular and petite sizing, helping players get better comfort, cleaner contact, and a more natural rhythm. The oversized driver, fairway wood, and hybrid add forgiveness through a larger sweet spot, which brings relief when your swing is still developing. The wide sole irons support accuracy on approach shots, while the alignment putter makes short game practice feel more focused. Compared with the men's Precise set, this AMG version feels more tailored, more complete, and better styled for women, though stronger advanced players may eventually want custom-fitted premium clubs. The pros are full club coverage, forgiving woods, helpful hybrid, size options, stylish colors, comfortable dual strap bag, and strong beginner value. The cons are limited appeal for low-handicap golfers and fewer upgrade-level materials. This is ideal for new women golfers, casual players, and anyone ready to stop borrowing clubs and start building real course comfort. Now moving to the last one is Ultimate Golf Club Set. Walking onto a course with mismatched clubs can make every shot feel like guesswork before the swing even starts. The Ultimate Golf Club Set gives right-handed male golfers a more organized and affordable way to build their game from tee to green. This 9-piece package includes a driver, fairway wood, hybrid, irons, pitching wedge, putter, and lightweight stand bag, so beginners and casual players get the essential tools without chasing separate purchases. The 460 cubic centimeters alloy driver is a major confidence booster, using a large sweet spot, low center of gravity, and high MOI design to make off-center hits less punishing. That means more playable drives and fewer moments where one bad strike ruins your mood. The fairway wood and hybrid help bridge distance gaps, while the irons bring shock absorption, cleaner feedback, and better control for approach shots. Around the green, the putter's built-in alignment aid helps steady your aim when short strokes start feeling stressful. The stand bag adds real everyday value with 8-way dividers, storage pockets, shoulder straps, and easy club access during a round. Compared with the KVV Golf Club Set, Ultimate feels more complete for men who want stronger organization and more shot options, though advanced golfers may still prefer premium-fitted clubs. The pros are full coverage, forgiving driver, useful hybrid, organized bag, accurate putter aid, and strong value. The cons are right-hand-only design and less elite feel than expensive sets. It suits beginners, returning players, and weekend golfers ready to stop borrowing and start improving. So guys, this was the video about the best cheap golf club sets. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing, and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.